Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this session, I will show you how I actually play chords to the entire circle of fifths, using a song that most guitarists are familiar with, Hey Joe by Jimi Hendrix. Now, Jimi Hendrix did not write this song. His version just happens to be my favorite. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E, and the chords in Hey Joe happen to modulate through the first 5 keys of the circle of fifths. Going forward in the circle, each chord is a fifth up from the last one. Those chords are C major, G, D, A, and E major. Now what we will do is go through the entire circle of fifths playing Hey Joe. Here's how we'll do it. Let's start with the first 5 keys, which is C, G, D, A, and E. Now since we ended with E, we'll start with an E chord on the circle of fifths, and this set of chords will be E major, B major, G flat or F sharp, D flat or C sharp, and then A flat or G sharp. Here we go. Now for that one, we had to use some different chord forms. We went to our E chord and went to a B bar chord. Any bar chord we make will be playing the root note, and then 2 frets up will bar from the D string down, like that. Then we went to G flat, and we made what is like an F form. So F is here, and G flat or F sharp is right there. Then we went to D, or D flat, with a bar, that's D flat or C sharp, and then A flat or G sharp. Once again. Now since we ended that chord sequence with A flat, we're going to start with A flat, which is here, A flat, then we'll go to E flat, B flat, F, and then C. So now we're back to where we started with C. So once again, that was A flat, E flat, B flat, F, and C. So now we have played through the complete circle of fifths. If you practice this one, you'll know every note that is in the circle of fifths, starting with C, going all the way around back to C. Well, all right, my friends, that's it for now. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.